Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And today we have a ton of crypto news to cover. So first of all, let me know in the comment section down below if you think we'll go up or down in XRP price today. I asked you guys if I should buy more XRP right freaking now, and the majority of you guys said, Dusty, just buy a little bit more. And so you know what? We'll buy, let's do it about, let's do 500 XRP to add to our long. It's only 130, no, let's do a little bit more than that. Let's do 1,000 XRP that we'll buy. It's about $270 worth. Let's open that long position. You can see right here, our estimated liquidation price is going to turn into 62 cents. You can see everything, right? The order cost, 272. Order value, about $1,200 worth, which is pretty damn crazy. But let's add that to our position. Bada boom, bada bing. Our liquidation price has gone up significantly, but the price can still kind of half from here for me to really be hurt. So I don't really mind, all right? I just had to increase my position a little bit. But if you guys say once more, Dusty, buy more, you know what? We'll up it with another 5,000 XRP. So should I buy or should I wait for a bigger dip? Let me know in the comment section down below. We could have gone and opened a short here, but yeah. All right. First of all, America's largest retailer, Walmart, may be planning to enter the crypto market in a big way. I talked about this earlier today, but there's a really big key that I missed, and that is actually the bigger part and bigger picture. We actually have gotten things about Amazon, which have been put down, but still, they were making steps in the blockchain tech. We got some hints from Microsoft. We got some hints from, I believe, Apple now right now too. We're getting hints from a lot of these major companies, and I have put up a, I think, post over on my Instagram, which, by the way, you guys can check out. A link is down below. But basically, one of the things I think I put up in there was the fact that the institutions holding Bitcoin right now, there isn't actually that many institutions that hold a freaking huge ton of it. There's just quite a lot of institutions who've gotten in. The real adoption of these institutions still has yet to come, which is something really interesting that many people don't really consider, right? The fact that a lot of these guys will most likely develop their own solutions, but not necessarily buy crypto. And sometimes I relate that back to XRP, thinking, well, for Bitcoin, they can have it on their balance sheets, but they would never really use it. For XRP, the purpose would really be to make sure it is utilized and actually utilize it properly, which is a big differentiator, but really important to sometimes think about. Then a lot of people have been asking me if we can actually go to $2 right now or we're going to fall to the ground. Well, you've already seen it, guys. By the way, on Bybit, it is only for a couple more hours. I think about one more day that you could get yourself $1,600 worth of bonuses for free. So make sure you check it out. A link is down below. And yeah, it's actually pretty simple. I mean, a link is down below for Bybit. Make sure you go look for the bonus bash somewhere. It's most likely within a little section which it says at the top here, like I don't know, like promotions or so. Make sure you check out the freaking bonus bash. Otherwise, just send me a little message on Instagram and I'll help you out if you need it. But it's definitely worth it. It's the exchange that I use right now, and I'm loving it. Again, I think our buy is already paying off right now. I'm not even sure what the average price of it is anymore, though, of what we just bought. I have no clue, guys. We're just buying, because once more, all the crypto I'm buying right now is going to make us money anyway, I personally think. All right. Will Solana reach the golden ratio? Because the XRP thing, if you're really asking me, all right, the Dusty BC, if he thinks that XRP will go to $2, you're watching the wrong channel, all right? You're most likely a first timer here, because I am 99.9% certain that will happen. Once more, not financial advice. It's just my own opinion, and my opinion can definitely be wrong. Because, I mean, I don't really know, but that's what I'm expecting. And that's what the majority of people in the community are most likely also expecting. Then, will Solana reach the golden ratio? Who gives a crap? Once more, this type of stuff is not really me, all right? This is not really my field. Let's quickly take a look. So they took a Fibonacci from the lowest point here at the end of July and the highest candle close from about May. So, the big bull run basically, which was at about $55 or so. And right now they're looking for an extension level, the 1.618, the Fibonacci extension level, which is about 221.3% gains, or at about $77 or so. But I'm not exactly sure what it went to today, to be honest with you. Let's quickly check it out. Solana right now is at about 67 and the highest point was about, where is it now? 74.41. So, I mean, it got close enough, I guess, right? Came to right around this area right here. It came, yeah, I mean, it's close enough, I think, right? Well, all right, moving on. The state of crypto in Singapore. 67% hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, BNB. All right. Approximately 70% of Singaporeans hold crypto. A recent survey by the leading crypto exchange Gemini reveals. This stuff is always so dumb. These exchanges are incentivized to actually give you a false narrative. So whenever they take a sample, they take a really specific sample, I personally find, right? Because the statistics don't really show what we would all expect. You know what I mean? Like, it's such a deviation that I don't think this is legit. Just random samples, or a good random sample. Now, the study, which was conducted among 4,300 financial investors, unveiled that Ethereum is the most popular crypto in Singapore. Once more, guys, this study was conducted among 4,500 financial investors, potentially investors that actually have, at least $1 million in crypto, for example, but or in investments. But these are already investors, and of investors, of people who buy stocks, for example, a lot of them, let's say 2/3 at least, also have some crypto. That could definitely be more so. But if you look at a random sample from Singapore, it's most likely a pretty low number, like in every other country. Of the respondents who participated in the study, about 80% hold Ethereum, Bitcoin, the leading crypto in terms of market cap. That is the second most popular digital assets, with about 69%. Then other popular ones are Binance, Coin, Cardano, and XRP, each attracting 40, 31, and about 20. Okay, so 1/4 of these investors actually holds XRP in Singapore. The study, dubbed the State of Crypto in Singapore Report 2021, was conducted by Gemini in collab with CoinMarketCap and Singapore's leading personal finance community, Seedly. All right, so reportedly men are considerably more exposed to investing in crypto, accounting for around 80% of the crypto investors. By our calculations, the average crypto hodler is likely to be a 29-year-old male with an average annual household income of about $51,000 a year. Now, one fun fact is that a lot of us XRP holders, which I think is going to be the majority of people watching, if you're just not an XRP holder, just crypto, completely fine too. I mean, I don't really care, but the majority of us, most likely, at one point or another, normal, I guess 29-year-old male, female, or something else, I don't really know, with, let's say a normal salary like that. Isn't your plan, if you're in this situation right now or a little bit older, isn't your plan to get into a new layer? Start some sort of investment-only type of line. I sometimes think about it like that. Like, I don't care what the income is, as long as you don't need to have it, and it's the level that you are choosing it to be. What I mean with that is you have, for example, $50 million in investment, $20 million, I don't care. But the income itself is not relevant because it's about the investment income, right? It's about the interest, basically, that gets you, not the principal. All right. Then crypto price update. XRP fares worst as major falls back. No, I mean, XP didn't really do that bad. Some people are putting up a false narrative that XP is such a bad thing, yada, yada, yada. It's going down, but within margin. Bitcoin is going down -1. XP is going down -3, almost -4 within margin, guys. I don't think that's really bad. Then Ripple helps move 60 million XRP. Part of it goes to the new ODL corridor. That was pretty cool. So Binance has sent 50 million XRP to China-based Huobi. Ripple moved the remaining 10 million XRP to Coins.ph, crypto trading platform based in the Philippines. And one of the transfers came from, or the transaction was made via the RL43EE wallet. And it basically said here that they got a new corridor set up from Japan to the Philippines, and now sending money to the Philippines might, have helped for this, or might have done some part in this. I don't really know why this is a big deal. To be honest with you, I don't think it really is. Then again, them sending money to Coins.ph or the Philippines corridor, you can never see as a bad thing, right? Because you don't know exactly what they're funding. But I see it more as a bullish thing. And then XP lawsuit. Here's where Ripple is filing motions but sealing the exhibits. Guys, if you want updates on the Ripple v SEC lawsuit, make sure you just check out my videos that are focused on them. All right. I sometimes mention it in arbitrary videos too, just sometimes randomly I start talking about it. But most of the time I just give out an update exactly when some breaking news happens or when I think you guys need an update of the current fair situation. But that's my personal recommendation for if you are not updated all the way through. I think I made 2 videos today talking about the lawsuit, and so if you're missing out, that's definitely the best thing that you can do. And for the rest, I guess I'll see you guys again in another crypto video pretty soon here, guys, because a lot of stuff to talk about today. Make sure you check out Bybit. A link is down below. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today.